The Digi TX40 router does not include any accessories. For those who need a simple yet effective solution for your cellular, Wi-Fi, GNSS, and power requirements, this accessory kit from Digi does the trick. So without further ado, let's get started by connecting the Wi-Fi antenna. This is a lightweight antenna that is about 3 inches long by 3 inches wide with two 10-foot cables attached. It comes with a double-sided foam sticker that allows you to quickly and easily mount it wherever it's convenient. As you can see, Wi-Fi is using the beige Fakra connectors, of which there are 2 total, one for each Wi-Fi antenna port on your TX40. Just take the end, position it to where this pink piece is upright, and then snap it right onto the port. You'll hear a quick click when doing so. Next, we'll move over to our cell and GNSS antenna. This antenna can be installed on the roof of a vehicle or any flat surface where you can run the cables through the mounting hole. It is roughly 4 inches tall with about a 4-inch diameter. There are 4 cellular cables with purple connectors and 1 GNSS cable with a blue connector. Note that these cables are approximately 10 feet long. Exactly like the Wi-Fi connections, take the blue connector and simply snap it into place on the GNSS port on your TX40. Moving right along, we'll go ahead and connect the rest of our cables to the cellular ports on the router, which are labeled WWAN 1 through 4. Again, make sure the pink piece is upright and then snap each one in its place. Now that we have our antennas attached, we'll move this jumble of cables to the side and get our power supply connected. This is only for users that will not be hardwiring the router to a battery. This is especially helpful for when you want to test and perform an initial setup of the device. First, make sure that you have the included extended temperature power supply ready, which has the 3-pin terminal block attached. Here's a closer look at it. On the router, find the similarly looking green terminal block, just like shown here. You're going to need to remove the screws to the left and right side of the block in order to remove it. Grab a small flathead screwdriver to do this. Here's what it looks like once it has been removed. At this time, we'll take the extended temp supply and plug that in its place. Then take your screwdriver and secure it with a router. When ready, plug the other end of the supply into power and wait for the lights to turn on. Lastly, we can use the included 6-foot Cat6 Ethernet cable to connect to either Ethernet port on the router. Since we plan on eventually setting up a wired WAN connection in addition to using the embedded 5G connection, we're going to use port 2. At this time, you should see other LEDs turn on, which are for the wireless WAN, Wi-Fi, and GNSS connections. You're now ready to connect your computer to the TX40 and start its configuration. That's all it takes to connect the Digi TX40 accessory kit. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button if you're interested in more videos like this.